What if you could build your own personal portfolio website using AI and have it live online today? Whether you're a student, freelancer, developer, designer, or job seeker, having your own website instantly makes you stand out. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a portfolio website using AI and then host it live on your own VPS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own live personal website with an About section, Project section, and Contact section, all running online from your own server. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV. Today's tutorial is honestly one of the most practical projects in this entire AI Builder series. Because unlike demo projects, portfolio websites are something people actually use in real life every single day. Whether you're applying for jobs, building a freelancing career, showcasing projects, or growing a personal brand, a portfolio website gives you a professional online presence, and the best part is AI can now help generate the entire front-end layout for you in just minutes. So today we are going to use AI to create a responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then we're going to deploy it on a VPS using Apache and the Bitvice SSH client. All right, let's jump right into it. Now we're on ChatGPT. Go ahead and use this prompt. Create a professional portfolio website with sections for About, Projects, and Contact. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Keep the design modern, responsive, and professional. Once the AI generates the code, go ahead and copy everything, open your text editor, and paste in the code. Now save that file as index.html. Make sure that the file name is exactly index.html and not a text document. Once that's done, double click the file and open it on your local browser. At this stage, review the website and make sure that everything looks good. Scroll through the sections, test any buttons or animations, and confirm the layout responds properly when resizing the browser window. And honestly, this is one of the most useful AI workflows right now. You can create a professional looking portfolio website in minutes and then customize it with your own information. Now that we've confirmed everything looks good locally, let's deploy it on a VPS. Go ahead and open the Bitvice SSH client. Enter your VPS details. Host is your server IP address. Username is root, and then enter your root password. Once everything is entered, click login. After connecting, Bitvice will open both the terminal and the SFTP file browser. Now inside the terminal, we're going to install Apache. If you are using Ubuntu or Debian, run these commands. If you're using AlmaLinux or CentOS, run these commands. Once Apache finishes installing, open your VPS IP address in your browser. You should now see the default Apache page. So let's go ahead and remove that default page. Inside the terminal, run this command. Now we're ready to upload our portfolio website. Inside the Bitvice SFTP file browser, navigate to /var/www/html/. On your local machine, locate your index.html file, then drag and drop it into the directory on your server we just opened. Once the upload finishes, go back to your browser and refresh your VPS IP address. Your portfolio website should now be live. Go ahead and browse through these sections to make sure everything is loading correctly. And just like that, you now have your own personal portfolio website hosted entirely on your VPS. From here, you can customize the content with your real projects, social links, resume, contact details, and branding. You can also connect a domain name later by pointing your domain's A record to your VPS IP address. And that's it. You have just built and deployed your own personal portfolio website using AI and VPS. This is honestly one of the best beginner-friendly projects that you can start with because it's something that can genuinely help you professionally. And once you understand this workflow, you can continue to improve your portfolio, adding more sections, connecting APIs, integrating forms, or even turning it into a personal brand website. If you're serious about building projects and learning real deployment skills, having your own VPS gives you the freedom to experiment, host multiple sites, and actually understand how everything works behind the scenes. You can check out available VPS plans anytime at RackNerd.com if you want to follow along with projects just like this one. And if you want to connect your AI website or projects to your own domain name, make sure to check out our other tutorial on how to point your domain name to your your server IP address step by step. And if you enjoyed this AI Builder series, make sure to stick around because we've got more practical VPS and AI deployment tutorials coming here on RackNerd TV. I appreciate you watching and I will catch you in the next one.